Are you tired of the endless cycle of watering, mowing, and fertilizing your yard? You're not alone. Many homeowners find themselves trapped in a cycle of high maintenance and water usage, especially during those hot Utah summers. Keeping a lush, green lawn feels like a full-time job. The water, the time, it just seems wasteful, especially when you consider the environment. That's where Rocky Mountain Turf comes in. As Utah's leading artificial turf company, we provide a state-of-the-art turf solution that saves time, money, and water. Our high-quality artificial turf looks and feels like real grass, requiring none of the upkeep. With Rocky Mountain Turf, transform your outdoor space into a sustainable, low-maintenance oasis. Imagine a lawn that's always green, no watering, no mowing, no problem. Isn't it time you made the switch? Join the forward-thinking homeowners who upgraded to Rocky Mountain Turf. Save water, save time, and enjoy a perfect lawn every day. Rocky Mountain Turf, the smarter way to lawn.